Look at that. Sweet. Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, the Moto Soul. Today we're headed over to the shop clubs in Dallas. We're going to attend THROTTLE, which is their monthly bike meet. Should be a good time. So enjoy the ride and hopefully we make it there before it's over. So I played with a couple settings on the GoPro Hero 10. Hopefully the footage on this video turns out a little better than the previous ones. Just trying to tune it and learn the different settings and stuff and figure out what works best. I will say that I probably have the wrong ND filter on for these lighting conditions. I didn't think the sun was going to start setting as soon as it did. Eventually I'll get it figured out, the whole ND filter thing and what to use for what times of the day and what situation. Hopefully this footage isn't ruined and we'll be able to use it. Look at that! Sweet! That must be like a 765 LT maybe? I'm not super familiar with my McLarens. Alright, so I stopped and did a quick filter change. Hopefully we can see what's going on a little better now. Took the wrong ND filter off and put the right one on. We're just going to pull up right here.
Yeah, I think I saw you on Instagram.
Oh really?
Yeah. Your first bike?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good to see you, man.
Yeah, I was thinking about getting one of these.
It's a lot of fun.
How's the learning curve on it though? It must be pretty easy to ride though.
It's nice because it has power modes, you know?
Yeah.
So when I first started I had like low power mode and all that. And then once they put the exhaust on and stuff, you know, tuned it up and got in sport mode and whatnot.
Did Monkey Moto tune it for you?
Yeah, Monkey Moto's done everything on the bike.
Okay. They put on the dyno and stuff or would they?
No, the exhaust comes with the race ECU.
Oh, okay.
From SC Project that uploads a map into the bike that's set up for that. Because that's the only performance mod on the bike right now.
Yeah, that's cool, man. I might still get one.
There you go.
I'm gonna save up all my money for a V4. And then a friend of a friend, I saw they're selling a Ducati 748. I fell in love with that thing, but I don't have enough money. Like, it's like one of those things I could spend like every penny I have on the two bikes.
I got you. Yeah, I was looking at one of those before I bought this.
Yeah.
That's the 660, right?
Yeah, my buddy Marco's bike. Man, he loves that thing.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna walk around and check it out. I've never been here before, so let's walk around and see what bikes they got out here today. That guy was pretty cool. What's up, brother?
What up, homie? Saw you pull in, dude.
Yeah.
It looks good.
Thanks. Alright, so we're inside the shop clubs. A lot of storage for bikes and supercars and high-end vehicles here in Dallas. A lot of cool cars in here. Bar and restaurant area. Then a Aventador SVJ, McLaren, GTRs. Looks like a couple Porsches tucked away in the back over there. I'll definitely have to come back out here. They got a whole upstairs area for members only. Lounge area. Sweet. You get out of here?
Yeah.
All right, brother.
Let me know about the 28th if you want to come out to the range, dude.
Yeah, like I said, most Saturdays I'm not going to be able to make it, most likely.
Yeah, let me know. Anytime you want to go hit the range, let's fucking hit it.
Yeah, cool.
And then if we hit these, I'll let you know. And with all these other guys, we always go hit like coffee and shit on Sundays.
Okay. So, yeah, I would do that for sure. Sundays I'm available.
Fuck yeah.
So, yeah, good to see you, man. You okay with being on video?
Always.
All right, cool, man. Brandon Ninebanger. There he is.
Nice night, man.
What's up?
Nice bike, man.
Thank you, thank you.
I see MBs around.
There's not a lot of them out there. Yeah.
No, that's 60 bucks.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Alright, so we're about to roll out of here. It was a good time. I talked to a couple of the guys here. They said this was kind of a light turnout for the Throttle event, so hopefully next month there'll be a little bit more people out here. Okay, so we're on our way home from the Throttle bike meet in Dallas. It was a great event and met some great people, and I actually ran into a few people that I had met previously at the Dainese grand opening. That was cool to see some familiar faces and be able to shake hands and stuff with some people that I had already known. I did show up a little late, so there wasn't a ton of bikes left, as you guys saw. They did say it was kind of a light turnout this week, or this month though. I think it's a monthly event that they have. So hopefully if we go back out there next month, there'll be more bikes and more folks to meet. But cool event. Shout out to the Shop Clubs Dallas for hosting the event. I'll definitely be back. That's probably all for this video though. If you guys enjoyed the content, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe and ring the bell for future videos. Catch you on the next one. Peace.